Saan yung reaction niya? Di nakikita.
When everything gets overwhelming and sometimes my voice crackers. I feel inspired when every day the daily pastimes of my life is free of passion and responsibility. I'm really nervous looking this season. I think with this point, it's more than just being a fan. Personally inspires me to be a better person, to become a better version of myself every day. They make going through every day worthwhile. Just like how proud I am of being an end, I also want them to be proud of me. I don't think that the difference since I was 12 years old and now I'm
Si
in
El.
master college and I'm graduating. And I'm taking the time out this year so that I can get to be. It's really my inspiration and happiness. I hope to bring more precious memories in the future. Nothing to that.
Gulat siya.
Thank you so much for always being with me. Hello, Megan. I appreciate
Ah, ay.
일단 애초에 여러분들과 정말 오랫동안 같이 이렇게 세월을 빨리 지나고 The time has passed really, really quickly, and for a long time we've been together with the XOLs, right? 네, 이렇게 오랜 시간을 함께하는 동안 서로가 서로에게 얼마나 필요한 존재인지를 알게 되는 것 같아요. 시간이 지났어요. And the more the time passes, we can realize and can feel that we should be together and we know the importance of each other as time passes by. 네, 그래서 앞으로 뭔가 제가 여러분들에게 큰 자랑이지만 여러분들도 저에게 큰 자랑이니까 앞으로 저와 함께 오래오래 서로 사랑하고 서로 행복한 시간 보내면서 살았으면 좋겠습니다. Parang gusto ko na ako din yung pride nyo and kayo din ang pride ko for a long period of time. So I hope that we can spend more time together for a better memory of time. Sarangayo. But of course, we know that the best way that our genius idol communicates with us is through song. So here he is with his final song for Are you ready to meet our Robin now? Then please give it up, the one and only
one,